welcome back to the channel. If you guys are new here, I ask that you please hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell, drop a like on this video, dropping new content on this channel every single day. So with that being said, let's get into it. It is Thursday, January 21st, the morning hours of the market. I want to talk to you guys about ticker symbol NAKD, Naked Brand Group. And something just right off the bat, you guys, this stock trades on an average volume of 141 million trades every day. And then today specifically, it's already at 241 million trades in the morning hours of the market. So this stock been absolutely on everyone's radar, on a lot of people's radar. So just wanted to talk about the stock really quick, give some insight about the company, and then just talk about how I feel about the stock in my opinion. Again, I'm not a financial advisor, not financial advice, educational and entertainment purposes only. Invest your money at your own risk. So NAKD, you guys, if we take a look at the 3-month chart, right, this is a stock back in November was only 7 cents. 7 cents, right? Obviously at risk of being delisted. And has just slowly kind of been climbing, had some really crazy days, up 266%. Here was up 568% last week, right? Kind of dipped and then has slowly been climbing back up today. Today up 11% on the day, but still trading at crazy volume. So let's just talk about Naked Brand Group really quick. Obviously, they are an intimate apparel and swimwear company, essentially a global leader. They have many brands underneath their Naked Brand Group umbrella. I don't know if any of you guys know of any of these brands. I'm kind of familiar with some of them, but again, these are obviously super popular brands in the intimate apparel space. And today, guys, they announced that they are pretty much reconstructing their entire company. They're moving away from the brick and mortar operations, and they will focus exclusively on e-commerce, which is obviously what you need to do in 2021. Moving forward, you got to have the e-commerce space of your business locked down. It's got to be solid. It's just got to be a great platform, right? So these companies that are moving to e-commerce or that are already in e-commerce, you got to have a legit, clean, great, user-friendly website. You got to have everything. You got to have a great ecosystem for your e-commerce space. And so Naked is seeking to leverage its brand platform and build out proprietary technology to meet the needs of consumers in today's digital e-commerce space. Obviously, consumers are moving towards e-commerce. People aren't going to as many brick and mortar stores anymore. I know me personally, if I'm looking to buy something, I'm definitely looking online first before anything. I'm even probably looking online to see if I can place an order to pick something up at a brick and mortar location. So that's just me personally. I'm not really looking to go to a brick and mortar location anymore. Moving forward, I don't even think that will be the case for a lot of people. So e-commerce, according to emarketer.com, is expected to represent 22% of all global retail sales by 2023, or $6.5 trillion. So the chairman of Naked Brand Group, said that they have experienced success with their e-commerce business before and are prepared to rapidly expand our existing digital footprint as we pursue the development of a single world-class technology platform serving the intimate apparel industry and seek to become the conduit for consolidation. So I think the intimate apparel industry, somewhat of a it's obviously a lucrative industry. I don't know how many different brands compete within that industry, but they obviously, Naked Brand Group does have a good amount of brands that they, are under their umbrella. I've heard of Frederick's Hollywood before. Obviously, I'm sure maybe a lot of people that live in Southern California have. Since 1946, Frederick's of Hollywood has set the standard for innovative apparel, introducing the push-up bra, the padded bra, and the black lingerie. And the U.S. brand's rich history has led it to become one of the most recognizable in the world. So I think it's kind of interesting for a company like Naked Brand Group to be going fully online. I know a lot of people do like, going to retail stores to shop for these sort of things, to either try them on or just see the specific item in person. So it will be interesting to see how they move forward, really with their e-commerce plans and where they, take their ideas as far as trying to have a proprietary technology in this space and really where they go in the future with this. But it will be interesting to see how this stock plays out. Again, this is a super cheap penny stock right now. And I don't know, the new business plan, basically, they're going to move to e-commerce. And Naked will also be divesting its Bendon subsidiary, which handles its physical retail locations, and this will have it selling the business off to executives of the company. So Bendon, you guys, which is essentially their main physical retail location business or subsidiary, is going to be sold off to executives of the company. And then Naked Brand will use the funds from the sale of Bendon to further expand the e-commerce network. So again, the e-commerce online business, roughly $20 million is expected or has been made from Naked Brand Group already in the United States. And I think just going forward, they're really trying to capitalize on that and multiply that given the space that we're in with the pandemic and just overall before the pandemic, with or without a pandemic, you guys, e-commerce definitely the future. And for a company like Naked Brand Group to be fully committing, transforming their company as a whole to focus exclusively on e-commerce, I think it's pretty interesting. I think it's definitely a stock to keep an eye on, you guys. Only 48 cents right now. Don't want to make a price prediction yet, but take a look at this stock, you guys. Definitely keep it on your radar. This is an easy stock you could load up on and, quick pump and dump. Or maybe it might be a long-term hold. Wait for some news on this stock coming out, but definitely keep an eye on it. NAKD. Let me know in the comments if any of you guys are loaded up on this stock. I'm sure a lot of you guys are, or you dropped off this stock, you sold it, or you're trying to load up again. Let me know in the comments what price you guys had it at, or you do have it at, and let me know where you guys think this stock is headed. Again, please leave a like, comment, subscribe. Have a good day.